A very good morning sa inyong lahat. Today is, ano kayang araw ngayon? Nakalimutan ko, Monday. Holiday pa rin sila ni Johan. Today guys, hindi ako magluluto. Hindi ko lang ito panalinisan kasi parang may hangover din pati ang kusina. Ganon talaga, no? Pag may mga handa-handaan, hindi talaga ma-avoid na pati kusina magkakaroon ng hangover. So mamaya, punta tayo doon sa kanila ni Auntie. Tingnan nyo guys, maganda na yung bahay nila. Tumawag siya sa akin kaninang umaga kasi si Johan, kaninang umaga. I mean, ito lang. Kasi 10 o'clock pa lang naman ngayon. Actually, late na pala kami nagising guys. Siguro mga 9. Pero 8 o'clock, balisa-balisa ako sa kama. Sandali muna guys. Dahil today hindi man tayo magluluto. Dahil may mga ulam kami kahapon na niluto ko. Kikrave talaga ako ng siopaw ba. Pero kasi... ay, hindi nga ako magluluto. Tapos marami na naman akong hugasan. Mamaya kung mag-siopaw-siopaw ako. Ako lang naman ang kakain. Bala ko sanang gumawa para dalhin ko sa kanila ni Auntie doon. Kaso lang, may trabaho ba? Minsan mag-relax-relax din tayo. Yun ang naisip ko kasi parang pagoda pa tayo sa ating mga niluto. Sa totoo lang, kung hindi pa ako nakapag-asawa ng Nepali, hindi talaga ako nakain ng kambing. Pero, masarap pala ang kambing. Pero wag lang sobrahan kasi hindi maganda ang kambing sa uric acid. Mabilis tumaas sa mabilis tumaas ang uric acid natin diyan. Kaya hinay-hinay lang. At alam niyo yung majority yung problem ng mga tao dito, uric acid. Bali nanaginip ako na yung ngipin ko dito sa baba. Paano sa Tagalog sabihin yun? Maluwag, lumuluwag yung ngipin ko. Tatanggal siya, gumaganon-ganon. So, yung dentista, kasama ko sa panaginip. Nag-i-explain ako sa kanya na ganito yung ngipin ko. Kakausap ko sa dentista, kaka-explain ko sa kanya, natanggal yung ngipin na to. Tapos, pagtanggal, napakalaking ngipin. Parang nabiak siya, guys, into 2. Pagkagising ko, napaisip ako na sabi ko, hindi maganda na ganitong panaginip. So, sa inyo, guys, naniniwala din kayo. Although sa amin kasi, nung maliit pa ako, yun ang pagkakaalam ko. Usually, pag mga ganito, sabi nila ikagat mo daw sa kahoy, o di kaya pag umihi ka, duraan mo yung ihi mo, yung first na ihi mo sa morning, mga ganong paniniwala. At syempre natakot din ako, pero nag-pray ako kasi natatakot ako pag yun ang napapanaginipan ko, mga ganyan-ganyan, parang hindi maganda. Diba guys, sa ating paniniwala. So, kuhanin ko na naman itong mga tumubo na ito kasi nakikihati sila sa property ng succulents. Alam nyo guys, yung mga succulents ko sa loob, namatay sila. Ay, ambot Ganda-ganda ng succulents. Yung malaking succulents, nilipat ko siya. At ito guys, ang ganda ng aming succulents ni Ama. Yan, ang dami-dami na nila, diba? So, ito yung ayaw ko guys, na tumutubo dito. Yan. Tingnan nyo. Yan. Ito hindi to tinitirhan ng mga higad. Ayaw nila. Gusto nila yung bulaklakin. Pero wala nang higad dito. Thanks God. Guys, nung nawala na yung mga higad, tingnan nyo ang ganda na ulit na tubo ng mga dahon. So ayun guys, magsasampay muna ako guys ha. Andito kami ni Johan. Punta tayo kay Auntie. Hindi ako makapag-upload ng isa kong vlog. Kaya tinuloy ko na lang ngayon. Continuous. May problema kami sa aming internet. Wala kaming internet. Alam nyo ba guys, nakatulog ako more than 30 minutes. Power nap. Ayun, kasi sabi ko kanina kay Johan, habang ako ay nag-i-edit, Johan, naantok ako kasi busog na busog pa ako. Baho. Ang baho. Baho dito the side. So, ayun guys. At sabi ko kay Johan, Johan, mag-nap muna ako. Kahit saglit. Power nap. So, nakaidlip talaga ako. At 2 times ako nagising. Dahil alam nyo ba, bakit ako nagising ng 2 times? Dahil sa hilik ko. Alam nyo yun? Bihira ako talaga maghilik. Pero naramdaman ko talaga yung hilik ko. Kaya nagising ako. So, you want here? Too much dogs. Too much dogs here. Ah, okay. Yeah, better. I'm thinking about sa kanila ni Mandira. So, nakalimutan ko. Sa kanila ni Auntie pala kami pupunta. So, dito kami dadaan kasi mas malapit dito. Ayun guys, so nagising ako 2 times dahil sa hilik ko. Naramdaman ko talaga yung ilong ko. Ay natatawa talaga ako Kaya ayun, mga bata naglalaro. Minsan kasi nag-avoid ako dito kasi maraming aso dito. Matatakot ako ba? Pero hindi naman sila ng Ay. Hindi ako nadala ng payong. Hindi ko alam saan to nilagay ni Indira yung payong last time. Kasi nung inutusan ko siya bumili ng mga ingredients, umuulan-ulan. Pero hindi ko alam saan niya nilagay. Baka nandun mga sa bahay. So ayun guys, punta tayo sa kanila ni Auntie, ha? Grabe guys, kung natatawa ako. Sinabihan ko siya, I woke up with my own, snore. Snore? Snore? Yung baka nila, ang daming baka nila,
Same new plane that one also.
Malalaki
That's
ng,
also new plane.
yeah, malalaki ng baka nila guys. Yan. Their cow is too big. Ang dami niyang long beans Guys, alam niyo ba dito, nakakatuwa din naman sila kasi pag like ganito, Pasko nila, may mga taga-village din naman na umuwi ng Kathmandu para dito sila mag-celebrate sa ibang relatives nila. And then, I don't know. So, yun ko ano-ano mga tinatanong. So, kaya, ayun. And, halos ngayon sa kanila is talagang bumibili talaga sila ng bagong damit. Yung ganun ba? Tapos, yung kapitbahay namin, halos andyan lahat ang kanyang mga relatives dumating. Si Didi ba? Yung katabi namin.
Do you still believe I've grown this much already?
Of course, anak. God is good all the time.
Are you shocked?
Na-shock daw ako na kung bakit
Because I'm taller
nag-grown up daw siya ng ganyan.
Because I'm taller than you.
Yeah, of course. You'll be taller than me. More. Ang ganda ng kahoy dito. Palm tree. Tama ba ako? I don't know. Tama ako. Sabi
I am shocked.
kahit siya daw sa sarili niya, na-shock daw siya. At lalo makita niya yung kanyang picture na maliit pa siya, na sobrang taba niya, na wala siyang liig. Sabi niya, oh my God, mama, ayoko nang bumalik sa ganyan. Sabi niya ganun. And I cannot believe it. No, anak? Dito na tayo malapit sa kanila na Auntie.
Only
Mas
4
malapit
years we've
dito.
been here.
Ha?
Only 4 years we've been staying here.
Only 4 years.
I started counting from 21.
So, katulad doon sa kapitbahay namin, andyan lahat yung mga relatives nila. Auntie! Guys, dito na tayo. Yan. Ayan na. Tingnan yung bahay nila, guys. Wood, this one, yeah? Wood. At least, better than before. You cannot step now this one or what? There is.
Only I remove
So, ito guys yung kanilang sahig.
here we want to put tile.
Yeah, because they're in the toilet. Naglilinis si auntie, guys.
Too much allergy because
Oh, because of... You don't have vacuum?
I remove this one.
At least maganda na yung sala nila. Oh. Unlike before. Nag-hatching si auntie. Mga 1 lakh ang kanilang nagastos. Yan si Johan kasi. Gustong makipaglaro sa kanyang mga tiyuhin. Kamera ko, Diyos ko, hindi pa nang bahid yung bag ko. Busy pa si auntie. You have internet? Sabi ni auntie, don't show me because I'm not beautiful. She is beautiful. Diba? Even they're telling, even she don't have makeup, she's look more younger and beautiful. Maganda naman talaga si auntie. Yeah.
You have allergy and then
Because of this dust.
this one finish after or one time wash.
Yeah.
And then okay.
Because they are working, so all coming.
Maybe
Ayan guys, hiwa si Auntie Fruits. Si Uncle, mamaya pa si Uncle. Oo. Last time Auntie I buy papaya but it's not tasty. No, not sweets. Yung binili ko nung last guys, ito siyaw. Better we order momo, but where we can order?
You want to eat
No, if you want to eat.
or bread, peanut butter.
Nothing to worry, but I'm to say for them no also.
Here, not have near
Oo. That not like ours, no?
Yeah.
Yung area nila guys hindi accessible ba?
Yeah, your area.
That's why sometimes we see each other there if they buy. Unlike ours, no, every time. But if like that also our area not good. I have to buy every time. Kung unlike to
Only have samosa. You know samosa?
yeah, where you are buying?
There.
They are cooking fresh.
Yeah.
We can go and buy.
Okay.
But you want to go or no?
Okay, no problem. I want to go. I want to buy milk also. I want to give
Then we will
for
go.
him also.
Yeah.
This.
But I'm buying also near in our house. Only one samosa I can eat. Because I cannot eat much because too much oil. My stomach is getting hot. So, ayan guys, naaya ko sa auntie na punta kami sa nursery. Ayan. Boy, girl.
Go.
Kaibigan niya guys, may anak, bagong anak. Congratulations!
Thank you.
Mila, this is Mila.
Boy, girl.
See, girl.
Wow.
She knows you.
Bila ko. Bila ka awas.
Kilala niyo ko. Hello!
Hello.
Happy December.
Malagdihan mo. Malagdihan mo. Ano?
Naiya siya. So she feels shy. She knows.
No, she not give milk. Do I rakora? Why not?
No.
Ay na.
What you call this one? What's her name?
Asta.
Ashta.
Aska.
Congrats.
She's
Thank you.
like.
Kaya ka na
So ayun guys, mamaya bibili tayo ng samosa. Punta tayo doon. Okay guys? Kasi may email. Kain na sila guys. Prutas. Layo. Ganito pala yung sahig nila. Oh. Busog ang kanyang halaman. Yung dried chili dito oh. Marami si Auntie Plano guys. Itong kortina. Nag-usap kami. Tapos yung kanilang dingding. I-wallpaper niya ito. TV share.
Okay.
Sit down. So ayan guys. Oh. Kain tayo na.
कुने मेवा कस्तो गुल्ले हुन्छ नि यो त have now dengue.
They have now?
Here Kathmandu have more dengue. That's why this papaya expensive now. Yesterday I tried this.
Why? What is the...
You have vitamin A? हजुर घिरौला 220 रुपैयाँ किलो घिरौला
Bitter gourd.
यहाँ घिरौला 220 रुपैयाँ किलो
Guys, gamot. Yeah. Sila naman dira doon.
maybe
Single.
Thursday or Friday.
Yeah.
Here have one cafe closed.
Yeah, it's newly open. How come it's closed?
I don't know.
Bago lang bukas.
Maybe nobody buy.
Yeah.
Nobody coming.
$100? Yeah. Same with there where we are buying. How much cheese buy?
1400.
No, the slice.
320.
Okay. So ayan guys, marami silang cheese dito oh. Nagpapakahirap pa ako doon. Tapos ayan, may marami din silang cheese. Pili tayo ng ice cream. Ay, only this?
This one chocolate is not good.
And then,
Have this.
and then and this is special only for your for your induction.
Yeah, this one.
How much you buy this one?
This one and this one. This one.
Induction also this one.
Yeah. and then half this one 3 liter, half 5 liter cooker also, and then half one karai also. This one all 10,000.
Sometimes, oh, package?
Yeah, my
With this?
From Roxwell he buy for me.
Oh, and how many years now this one? Is this good brand also Prestige?
Yeah, this one also.
Kasi if you are using the induction, you should have a special cooking pot for induction. Oh, maganda din itong kanyang lutuan. Maybe the sweets after we can eat. After we will eat, yeah. So, ayan guys, yan din ang binibili ko. Same price in Teach Binak where I'm buying, auntie. 100 rupees.
Me, I buy first time.
Oh, but this is good. Sometimes Deepak request me.
Always I have bread from Solti today, Nata.
Yeah.
Uncle bring always. Today finish morning this I start with breakfast time.
Auntie, this time also, especially the Sai bread will.
Like maybe make egg and then put there. Some paratha.
If you like, we can make, no problem. If you don't want also.
Maybe he don't like only paratha.
Maingay. So this is for your water, ah?
Yeah, hot water. And then I put all this bottle inside
What?
this water.
Yeah. So you don't have plan.
This filter.
You don't have plan to buy filter.
Uncle want to put this.
Better.
But
Di ba guys, tama ako? Kasi nga ito yung kanilang sa tubig nila. Electric also?
yeah.
Ah.
This one.
So, wala silang filter dito. So, binuboil lang lagi ni ante. But that's what I know. That is not good also if too much boiling water.
Not good for health.
No. I mean, your water is like, ano ba yung tawag? Guys, please comment. I ask my viewers or my friends to tell me. Because that's what...
I listen some place. Only one time boil, okay.
Even...
Sometimes I make re-boil. This one not good.
Even they said 20 seconds only you can boil. But because this one is not safe to drink, guys, yung tubig nila kasi nga, alam niyo yung tubig dito. So, binuboil talaga ni auntie. So, ayan guys, ginagawa ni auntie yan yung snacks namin. Hopefully. No, auntie, slowly. Yung sinasabi ni auntie, mahal, the papaya is so expensive this time because of dengue. Yan, because of dengue. So, mahal daw ang mga coconut, water, at saka yung papaya. Kasi daw, yan daw yung gamot nila dito. But in us, the papaya leaves.
Yeah, papaya leaves also good
Yeah,
for dengue.
yeah. I think in our area, no dengue.
Yes,
Some places.
But in hospital there.
But sa hospital daw, grabe, ang dami daw guys. You're buying ghee there also? Sabi na, ante, iniwanan mo doon si Deepak. Sabi ko, oh, malaki na yun siya, ante. Sabi ko, kanti, tawa ni ante. Sabi ko, malaki na yun ang napaso. Ako na karma. Ako, bilis ng karma ako sa akin, guys. Sabi niya, tawang-tawa siya. Sabi ko, malaki na yun, ante. Sabi ko, kung gutom siya, alam niya na kung ano ang gagawin niya at saan siya pupunta. You don't have ketchup, yeah? It's okay, ante, if you don't have. The tasty, ante, is the... Here. Yeah, the tasty kanchi ante is Maggi.
Huh?
Maggi ketchup.
Ah, this one.
I put all eggs, so you eat also.
Yeah.
No,
But this outside
will give also. No need.
only 2 paratha and then tea.
Okay. So that's why. This is for buy auntie. And for us, I will make. Guys, dito pa rin kami ni auntie. Natatawa ako kasi sabi ko kay auntie, I told auntie, here in the Sai, if people no money, too much sad the life. Because you need to buy lots of things. Auntie, you want egg? So, no need for me only this. No need only this for me. Ayoko rin mag-egg. Yan, sila lang. So, kaya sa tawa si auntie, because that is the truth. If no money, during the side problem.
If these poor people, they don't have money, they take loan.
For the SAI only. Oh, kita nyo guys, grabe. They will get credit for the SAI
Only
only.
this one. Maybe you like only this one.
No, it's okay because I eat egg this morning. Yeah. Tawa ko. But
Atar also.
better you sit there, I sit here so that they can see each other. We can see each other.
And then, kiri, atar, I don't have atar. This one also not good.
You want to put achar?
Me no need. For me okay, but for you.
No, it's okay this one. Nothing to worry, auntie. Oh, this for you. Let's eat, guys. Snacks namin. And we have sweets. Sweets to. What did you call this one?
Burfi. Burfi.
Burfi. Sweets ito. I like this one. But I don't buy every time. Kasi matamis yan eh.
Observation.
Yeah. You see, guys?
One day, here have the say. One day, Santa and have the say.
Oh? We will celebrate the SAI.
Maybe Friday or Saturday.
Oh, guys, looking forward because their house now is beautiful and it's like
Clean.
housewarming ka. Like to give you more blessings. Yeah. So guys, me and auntie, we are talking because it's the SAI. So I told her during the SAI, if people no money, it's too much sadness in their face. So that's why she told even the people who was like, you can say, nothing. I mean,
They take loan.
they take loan, naglo-loan.
They buy for kids clothes, they buy grocery, they buy meat, they buy rice, they buy chura. How many things?
Mangungutang.
they buy? And then they want to culture. You should do this one. Make same another person.
Yung ano, yung
You know, Vasantapur have 199 market.
why?
Here I buy this one 99.
All 99.
Too many things have there. Yani,
All 99 rupees.
have 99 to 99, yani different. But this one 2 piece, only this one and another one also have 299.
That is very danger, the marketing strategy, because you know in UAE it has 1 to 5 dirhams only. But when you go, of course, you see 5 dirhams, nice to buy. But when you reach in the cashier, this 1 to 5 dirhams price, it's become 1,000 dirhams. Because too many things you can buy.
Because we see little money.
Yeah. So like her, she said 99 rupees. When you go there, oh, this is 99 only. Have to become more when you reach in the counter. What?
I'm not buying more, only how many?
But it's nice you buy two packets.
Yeah,
So
2 packet,
200.
no, 2 packet 99. 100.
That's not bad.
This one nice for
Where is this? Which shop?
Basantapur, New Road.
New?
This one old, but there have so many.
I think I saw this one. I saw this
This
already.
underground.
Guys, nauna na ako kayuhan kasi kailangan ko pang mag-edit. May internet na kami. Tumawag ako kay Deepak. And ako na lang dito ako maglalakad sa kung saan dumaan tayo kanina. Shortcut. Para mas malapit. At walking na rin, guys. Diba? Diba ang ganda? Relax. Gusto kong bahay na to, guys. Oh. Tama lang yung laki niya. Hindi siya malaki, hindi siya maliit. Tama lang. Magagandahan ako sa loob ba. Ang laki ng tanglad nila dun. Diyos ko, may aso. Guys. So, ayun, marami kami ni auntie pinag-usapan. Ang dami-dami talaga. Basta si auntie ang kasama ko. Marami talaga. Daming chika ni auntie. Kaya sabi ko, but I have to go. Sabi ko kasi I need to edit my vlogs. At saka, the day after tomorrow, may pupuntahan kami ni auntie. So, abangan nyo yan. Magra-ride tayo kay auntie. Mabuti yan si auntie, guys. Lagi niya ako kasi inaaya. Kahit noon pa, ako lang yung walang time. Lagi lang ako nagsasabi, next time, auntie. Pero lagi siya sa akin nagsasabi. Ano na, sabi niya sa akin, let's go. Alam niyo guys, maganda dito magstay, oh. Kaya nakaka-relax. Ginagawa nilang tambahayan. So, ayun. Makita niyo yung buong Kathmandu doon. Ganda, diba? Doon. Yan, oh. Buong Kathmandu. Sa baba may mga naglalaro. So yun guys, at sabi ni auntie, the day after tomorrow kami ay maghahanap kami. Siya hanapin niya yung kung saan niya mailagay yung mga tanim niya. Ako naman is yung ano, may isang halaman o di kaya baka bibili rin ako ng lagayan na tanim. Yun lang na-share ni auntie din kasi nga pagdasay nila guys, malulungkot talaga ang mga tao dito. Parang pag walang pera, alam niyo nun, iba sa kanila ang dating talaga ba. Sa atin di naman tayo ganun na grabe talaga sa pera pag may mga Pasko o ano. Yung kahit pa paano, ano lang yung meron tayo, yung ganun. Pero sila hindi guys. Kumbaga, yun nga, pwede mangutang sila para lang may ipamimigay sa mga relatives nila. Pero hindi nga tayo pare-pareho ano. Kaya ganun. May baka sila, oh. Kasi nga itong bahay na ito kanina dumaan tayo, di ba grabe yung baka nila. Para siguro sa Kaw. Sa village, nakakatuwa din naman yung mga kalabaw, mga baka. Kasi marunong sila umuwi sa mga bahay nila kahit di na sila. Dito na ako sa shortcut. Dito naman guys, oh, tingnan nyo, ang dami nilang baka at kalabaw, oh. Ang lalaki. Yan. Fresh ang mga baka nila, ang dami. Wow. Ang dami. Ang lalaki, oh. Good business nila yan sa gatas, ihi. Yan po, oh. Ang dami nila. Nagme-milking siya, oh. Yan. Milking. So, dito na ako ng shortcut. Sa amin na ito. Guys, so ayun, bago ko i-end yung aking vlog, pasensya na kayo. Dahil today, buong araw kami